of Aasaan ERP. In my previous sessions, I have given you the overview of the Aasaan ERP Lite, which is for the businesses, as I told you, like ranging from 0 to 10 crore in Indian currency. But Aasaan ERP is a full-fledged ERP for any business. I mean, whatever business you are into, you can leverage Aasaan ERP easily, and this holds good for most of the industries. I mean, if you are into manufacturing, you are into pharma, waste management, of course, you are doing some sort of production, you are into trading. Most of the industries can be covered easily through Asan ERP. There could be few industries which will be very specialized. For that part, you may need to contact us to customize the things for you or maybe configure the things for you. But in general, all the industries can easily come over to Asan ERP and can take control of their business using Asan. So here it's very simple, like just as you can see on the top, right? This is the URL that you need to type in, Asan erp.asan.in. Once you type in, it will ask you for the registration. So there will be login page and there will be a register button below that. You just need to click on register. It's just like ERP Lite. You will be asked like your name, your organization name, your email address and stuff. Once you register on that, then whatever the email address that you have provided, you're gonna get a email, I mean, from Asan with your username and password. So you need to come back to the login, enter your username and password, and that's it. You are in to use the ERP Asan. Now, see, as you can see on the left, right, these are the things. So this is just a basic overview or basic menus that I could show you in this short video. So I'm not going to go into detail today, but it will give you a brief overview that what all you can easily manage on Asan ERP. To start with, as you can see, this is a dashboard. This is a configurable dashboard, customizable dashboard as per your requirement. So I have not put, actually, while creating this video, I didn't put the data over here, so it's not showing up much. There's much more behind the scene that you can explore, actually. So to start with, you can easily manage your CRM. If you look into the CRM, you can manage your groups. If I'll talk about the starting, I mean, you can manage your leads, you can manage deals, uh, convert it into your suppliers or customers, manage through groups. If you are dealing with the big MNCs which have multiple branches, then you would like to uh, put them into a group, the contacts with them, and the automate marketing. So this is the part of CRM. Automate marketing is all about scheduling the automatic mails, WhatsApp, SMS, sending wishes, and maybe the marketing emails, sales emails, whatever we want to do. So this is automate marketing. uh, I'll have a different session specifically on automate marketing. So this is the CRM part. Once you are done with this, then comes in the basic thing is the buying or the selling. So you can manage your buying part over here. When I talk about purchase register, so it's all about, first of all, you register your purchase, whatever you want to purchase, then you convert it into purchase order if required, or maybe quotation before that, and then finally you come over to the registering the purchase. So that's purchase invoice that you receive from the supplier. You can easily register it there. And the good thing is that you need not to know accounting for that. Accounting will keep happening in the background easily, right? And accordingly you will get the reports and all. So this is all about buying. Then comes to the selling. There are many things into selling that you can take leverage of. For example, sales register. Again, you can create a sales order, then you can go on to create quotations if required. You can create your invoices, you can register it, get the impact into accounting. All that stuff you can do. You can have a sales contract, reports, orders you can manage over here. So all these stuffs are there. Then the financials. In financials you can manage your payments, your receivables, your payables. uh, NFS payables, we have keep it separate. This is for the asset part, the asset management and internal things. And then the CEO report. This is beautiful thing for particularly for the CEO. So we have put in a nutshell the basic thing that he would generally want to look into. So that's the CEO report, and there are much more all the things. I mean, you can manage your budgeting, the tax reports, the payment terms, templates, settings. There are many more things other than this that you can manage. Coming on to stock, so it's all about inventory. How do you manage your inventory? You can see your stock balance, your ledger, the stock transactions that's happening, inventory movement report. You can manage multiple warehouses, multiple batches, multiple projects under warehouses, whichever way you want, you can do that. Then comes on to logistics. So we have shown here the sales delivery. Similarly, you have the purchase. I mean, when you send the purchase part to somebody. Uh, Similarly, you can have the vehicle maintenance and all that stuff related to stuff. I mean, for example, onboarding vehicle, maintaining the vehicle, the tires, and all that stuff you can do. And then this comes the accounting part. You're well aware of the complete accounting for the accountants. You can create your company chart of accounts, entries, accounting reports, income statement, cost centers, fiscal year, much more than as you can think of. Then complete human resources is there. You can manage complete human resources. I mean, your employees, your contract employees, their attendance, their salary, their recruitment. As you can see, their expense, appraisals, everything can be maintained over here. NFS management is all about the assets so that you're buying in, right? So we call it non-feed stock management. Non-feed stock is the purchase that you do for your internal use, right? Your consumables, your assets, and all that stuff. So we have a separate inventory for that, separate purchase request and uh, process for this. Their maintenance, asset maintenance, and other things. So as I told you, like this is a video basically to give you a brief overview, not going into detail. Then coming on to the production part, so you can manage your production, you can manage your manufacturing. Uh, th- Believe me, this is a complete manufacturing and production part that you can easily come over, understand it, and as the name suggests, Asan. I mean, we try to keep each and everything very easy for everybody to. May it be onboarding, may it be implementation, may it be training. Everything is Asan, everything is easy over here. And then comes to masters and other stuff. So this is a nutshell where if you, as you can see, right, the most of the things can be easily managed over here. And on top of that, we are ready to customize anything for you. Whatever is required, what changes you want, and all that stuff can be easily customized over here. Good thing is that this is a cloud ERP, so you have two options with you. Either you can go with the cloud ERP or you need a dedicated ERP. We are open to do that. And since it's a mobile responsive and the device responsive ERP, so you can easily use it in your mobile phones or any of the devices that you are using. So this ERP will be available to you anytime, anywhere, any place, any device. So I hope you like the video. You have any questions, we are open to answer any of your queries. Believe me, this could be a game changer for your business. Thank you guys.